Hi, this is JJ here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make YouTube shorts that can generate a lot of views very quickly using a tool called Flicky. There are a lot of niches out there that you can create YouTube shorts using an AI voice and not having to be on camera. And one good niche is the animal niche. And as you can see on this website here, the Angry Lions, it got 8.8 million views. Basically with just using some stock footage with some voiceover. Of course, the ad revenue doesn't pay anywhere near close what an actual YouTube video would do, but it's a good way to ignite your views. And then you could also create that same YouTube Shorts video and convert it into a YouTube regular size video. So let's get started, and I'll show you real quick how it works here. I'm in my Flicky account. And they do have a free account that you can set up where you can create several videos per day. And then of course they do have a paid version where you get more videos that you can produce and a couple other extra features. But anyway, you start out with a new file and I'll just call it elephants. And I'm going to make a video on elephants. And then what we do, you have to go to settings first. And then for YouTube Shorts, it doesn't want to be a square. You want to make it a portrait. And you also want to change this to 0.2 for the gap between the scene. Click Save. And then the next thing you want to do is convert, and you click I did a video. So you can create it several ways. If you already have a blog that you want to convert to video, it'll do that, or a tweet. But let's say you're starting fresh and you just want to select the AI to create a video script for you. So basically what you do, let's call it 3 amazing facts about elephants. And of course, YouTube Shorts, they have to be no longer than a minute, so you have to keep it on that. And in the default style, you can select tutorial, explainer, motivational, and select informational, and click submit. Once it's processed, you can now you'll create like you've got a standard voiceovers here. It was like Sarah, and you can click play.
3 amazing facts about elephants.
And then the voice of Sarah will, you see the layout here, it created 3 amazing facts, but it didn't create anything about elephants here. So you can actually change this here. What you do is you go to their stock library and select elephants. So you can select one here. Then it loaded a video of an elephant. So basically you just type that in and the AI created a little mini script that lasts a total of 48 seconds and included video clips of elephants. And then it's got the voiceover, and you can change, it's got hundreds of voiceovers that you can use. But on the free version you only get a couple of voiceovers. If you do the paid versions, then you have like something like 150 voiceovers. But then you can choose a background of an audio as well. And you have stock libraries of different background audios you can select as well, only on the paid version. Let's just go with that. But let's go ahead and play the entire video. It created this in like 5 minutes. Now watch this.
3 amazing facts about elephants. Did you know elephants are the largest land animals alive today? They can weigh up to a massive 7 tons. Their trunk, a fusion of their nose and upper lip, is an incredible multi-tool. It can be used for smelling, breathing, trumpeting, drinking, and grabbing things. Believe it or not, elephants display human-like emotions. They express joy, anger, grief, and even engage in play. They're known to mourn their dead, and show empathy for members in distress. Lastly, their large ears help control body temperature. These majestic beasts use them like fans, flapping to cool down. So, elephants are not just big, they're fascinating.
See, that created a nice YouTube short video at 48 seconds. Now you can upload it to YouTube. And you've got yourself a YouTube Shorts video in about 5 minutes. I just recently purchased this, and I'm going to start creating 10, 15, 20 quick little short YouTube short videos each day. That's the goal, is to get multiple YouTube short videos out there. So I'd highly recommend getting the Flicky. Try it out for free. If you do decide to upgrade, please click on my affiliate link below. Thanks for watching. There are a lot of niches out there that you can create YouTube shorts using an AI voice and not having to be on camera. And one good niche is the animal niche. And as you can see on this website here, the Angry Lions, it got 8.8 million views, basically with just using some stock footage with some voiceover. And with and YouTube Shorts can create a lot of views, but obviously they don't pay quite as well as the regular YouTube.